Hi everyone, it's Clyde at Vibrant Soap, and today I wanted easy soap. I didn't want any fussing with accelerating. I didn't want to think too much about the design, so I was looking through my fragrances and I thought it's going to be Cedar, Sage, and Blackberry. Because with those scents involved, I kind of get the greens and I kind of get the purples. So I'm going to darken the purple with some black oxide, so I get a darker purple than what I have around with me right now. And we'll just see what happens. So let's get started, and I hope you like it. Okay, I'm going to be soaping at 75 degrees. Got a little goat milk in there and kale and clay with my oils. And some sodium lactate. Let's blend that up a little bit. Nice and creamy. Get my lye solution in there, which is also 75 degrees. Okay, and I don't recall that this fragrance accelerates, but after that last one, I think I'm going to blend the colors first and then add the fragrance. Let's add the little bits first. Wintergreen. This is a mixture of basic purple and black oxide. This is wisteria purple. Okay, and I just wiped out my bowl so I can do a in the pot swirl first. Start with this biggest amount. Nice purple. Let's just make sure that this isn't thickening up. It's doing fine. So I still have time to add my fragrance. Just a little splash in these. And let me blend these to a nice trace. I like this fragrance. You can smell the blackberries, but it's also a little bit more mellowed down and woodsy with the cedar and sage. And go back with the frother to get the fragrance mixed here. Okay, let's pour this. I'm going to do it half and half. Save some for the top. And just go around the pot with a lime green. And the same with the hunter green. Isn't that nice looking? Okay, let's pour this. Notice I'm not moving the pot back and forth from end to end in the mold. That's because I've done that before and it gets to look pretty busy. And I want more distinctive swirls. Okay. Scrape this in there. And I've got some nice mica drizzles for the top. Notice that in general I put the darker colors on first so that when I put the lighter mica drizzles on top that it really pops. My usual diagonals one way. This is the texture I really like when it leaves a texture as well as a swirl. Okay, let's get the drizzles up on top. And then I'll do a diagonal in the opposite direction. And we'll call that done. So there's the top of my cedar, sage, and blackberry, and I'll bring you back for the cut. Just want you to see the loaf before I cut it. It's very smooth and I like all the colors. And there's the top. Okay, so let's cut this. Thought the end piece looks like a Monet painting too, so maybe I won't cut it. Let's see. This one was really nice to work with. There was no issues with the batter. If anything, I had to blend it a little bit longer so that it would be a thicker batter to work with, but that's okay. It's almost a black. Since I darkened that purple with some black oxide. To me it looks like it would be some kind of berry, the way this looks. You can kind of tell when you have a batter that's a little more liquid, that the colors are not as sharp. And I mean, it doesn't have a sharp edge. Notice that this is kind of fuzzier. So it just depends on what look you're going for. Nice one. That green almost looks fluorescent against the dark purple. I've been debating taking a break from making the videos since I've gone over a year without missing a week so far. But yet I don't feel like I want to break that continuity of being so diligent for so long, but struggling here a little bit with time and other things I need to tend to. There's a really gratifying aspect to making soap and reaching out with the videos that I don't want to leave behind. So we'll see. I just kind of managed to squeeze in some soap making. That's a nice one. It looks really iridescent. So yeah, I managed to find some time to do some soaping yesterday. So now it's just a matter of post-production on the video, which takes some time. So I hope I can get this out. Look at that little loop-de-loop there. So anyway, thank you for sticking with me. And that's encouragement to keep making the videos right there. And the store is open. Thank you for those who are buying soap. And this is the last soap right here. Until next time. Oh, look at that. Nice finale there. Thanks for subscribing and writing to me. And checking out the Instagram. So all of that's listed below if you want to check into that. So we'll see you next time. Bye, everybody.